people, welcome back. So I'm doing a studio vlog after so long. Like my last studio vlog was in Feb, I believe, and after that I got so busy with all my Instagram and other stuff. Let me check when was my last studio vlog posted. Yes, not even Feb. It was in all around Jan, so quite some time now. So let me give you some kind of updates while I'm at it. So after my second studio vlog, I decided to look people who are interested to buy my products as resellers. So I started using Facebook and Insta as my what do you call it, audience, not audience, as my platform. Okay, so I started using Instagram and Facebook as my platform, and I posted a lot of posts regarding that I'm a stationery seller, like I manufacture and design stationeries, and if anybody is interested in buying the stationeries that I designed or want any custom design stickers or memo pads, anything that I sell on my Instagram store, if they're interested in making as per their designs and taste, I posted those kind of post on Instagram and Facebook. When I received those, people started to reach out to me after I posted those, and that is what I was doing so far. So I was working. So long story short, I was working on commission, and then there was a lot of work that I had to go through. I had to deal with a lot of customers. I had to convince them this is correct, this is not correct. This was my first time that I was actually dealing with some kind of client, and I have a lot of good experiences. I have one bad experience which I don't want to discuss about, but that person gave me a really hard time. So let's just begin with the video, and I'll switch over to voiceover and tell you what I've been up to, what kind of commission orders I've been working on, what are my next launches for my Instagram store, what new have been updated, and all the stuff. So let's begin. Hi, welcome to voiceover. Anyway, so this is the illustration laptop stickers, my first illustration stickers I've ever designed on commission basis. This was my first order, and this is how those look like. Actually, she gave me a few images from Pinterest, and she said that these are the reference photos that she want, and she said to design them shape and size, color combination, everything as per you, and then give me those stickers. And she was a really good person, really understanding, and this is how my first sticker sheet looks like. So even though now I'm sharing you a time lapse of how I make stickers, the mini process, I will be posting a detailed video on this soon. So don't worry if you seem that this part is getting way too fast. Don't worry about it. So these stickers turn literally exactly how I wanted them to turn out. Even the size, everything, the color that was seen on my tab was exactly how those got printed, nothing here and there. So I do test first draft of the sticker sheet that I'm going to, and then I move to the color copy, which will be shared in the detailed video. Don't worry. So this is how my first sticker sheet looks like. Isn't it pretty, right? So while I'm cutting these stickers out, let me talk about the shop updates and other stuff that I've been up to. So recently I launched BTS Bias Kit on my Instagram store, and the response, I like the response. If you haven't already checked out the kit, make sure you do. You'll be amazed by what you get and the price you have to pay to buy the kit. It'll be really good. And next, I was thinking hard, like what should I launch next after this BTS bias kit. um, I saw a lot of Instagram store people selling unofficial official BT21 merch, and BT20, like the tiny tan, what do you call that, models, not models, manicures, the mini manicures. So there, those shops were getting a lot of sales, no doubt, but I didn't want to like post things that I've already posted by some kind of page. I want to stand out different, so I was thinking hard, like what should I launch next, and how should I capture different kind of audience and all those stuff. So I came across this idea of launching a mystery kit, and I wanted to relate it to K-pop. So I am working on this actually. So we are going to launch really soon Blackpink mystery box, and by this time, like by now, we have decided 4 to 5 items. We are still looking for more, and I'm pretty sure like by the time this video goes up, the kit, like the mystery box, will be up. So like check it out and share. The next thing that is on my mind for a really long time is to launch washi tapes. Now I believe a lot of you might know Amanda Ridgely. If you don't know, she is a YouTuber. She also has her own shop, which is called Shop Amanda Ridgely. So I came across her, like I got to know her because of her bullet journaling, and she is the one because like she inspired me to start bullet journaling. So because of her, I started my bullet journaling series, and she also started her shop like 2 years ago, and she sells bullet journals, dotted and her yearly bullet journals designed by her, and washi tapes. Like when you see her washi tape collections, you will go like, wow, her washi tape designs are so good. I am literally looking for those designs, but I am from India. She is from, I believe, US. If I'm not wrong, I believe she is from US. So all those shipment, everything, dollars, too much of headache. So I'm literally looking so hard to find a good designs, like not just one, multiple designs, washi tapes, collections, resellers, people who are ready to like sell washi tapes designs in bulk to me, so I can like share it on my Instagram. So this is the BTS bias kit that I mentioned earlier in the video. This is the V kit, and there are a lot of orders for this kit. He is so famous. Like there were 4 orders continuously. They were asking for V's kit. I was like, okay, great. So this is the process of how I printed them out, and now I'm cutting them, and further you'll see me pack them and ship them out. So a school friend of mine ordered JK's Pious kit, and I was so happy to hear afterwards from her that she gifted this kit to her little sister on her birthday. I was like, wow. So this can be also create gift options to your siblings, friends who are into BTS and have bias. And also you might have seen for every member we do give different group photos. We don't keep the same group photos for all the 7 members. You get different group photos, you get different items, not items. You get 8 Polaroids, okay, of the bias, 1 bias poster, 1 group mini poster, 2 bias photo strips for rupees 350. This price includes shipping, and we do have COD services available. And if you are going for COD, you are entitled to pay rupees 25 additional, which is 375 in total. And regardless of this, we do provide freebies. And yes, that's it for this long chatty studio vlog. I hope you enjoyed this process of me making stickers, designs and all the stuffs, giving you all the shop out dates and everything. Now see you in my next video. Bye.